What's going on, everybody? Welcome in. Today we are unboxing this Redragon Devaragas RGB keyboard. Recently ordered this. It arrived yesterday. And so we're going to open her up, have a look at all the details. Before we do that, though, please consider throwing likes on the video. Hit that sub button if you haven't done so yet. And, of course, hit that notification bell so that you know when I'm doing future videos. Besides doing the occasional unboxing, I do live stream games on Xbox, PS5, Switch, and PC. So let's get right into it. Very nice slim little box and more details on the back. Just going to read these over first. Features: LED backlit mechanical gaming keyboard with high precision machinery manufacturer. Double injection keycaps. Full key conflict free. Spill proof. That's a bonus for me because I do occasionally get a little sloppy with the coffee. And your Windows keys can be disabled when gaming, if that's your choice. And there's a detachable Type-C to Type-A cable for charging this thing up. Brushed aluminum frame, hot swap keyboard. There are brown switches in here right now on this keyboard, so you can easily hot swap out keys and the switches if you happen to be wanting to use, say, the MX Cherry or other switch types. Easily done. 16.8 million RGB backlight, so you can have it looking real fancy. Let me just slide that copy over it. There we go. I did cut the tape on this just to make it easier for the unboxing. And some bubble wrap for stress therapy. And here is the keyboard itself. Nice metallic. Got the USB plug right on the back of the thing. Held rather sturdily, 3 screws on each side. And little legs on there to keep things in place. Let's get that cord plugged in. And a little, yeah. Let me just, I do this so professionally, don't I? And we have the USB cable itself. The tool for removing the keycaps and the switches themselves. And this just filler. No. Ooh. Some spare switches, which is nice. In case something goes wrong with one, you have extras kicking about to make the easy swap. Throw that in there. I probably won't be messing much with the switch, swapping around myself. And there is software you can download for this as well for adjusting the RGB and whatnot. Doing a quick plug in. And there we go, all lit up. Gonna look even better when the lights are off. And the keys do not make a lot of noise. Very responsive. And so I think I'm gonna like this keyboard very much. If you want to look at their stuff at Redragon, just consider using my affiliate link. That will be in the video description, along with my discount code, LindenSG. There, using my link will kick back a commission to me, and by using the code, you get a 10% discount. So, bonus for both of us. So that is the video. Again, please consider throwing likes on the video, sub to the channel, all free support, share things out. We will hopefully see you on the future live streams. And just additional disclaimer, I purchased this keyboard myself, not provided by Redragon. There, for use in this video. There, and I signed up for the affiliateship after I ordered the keyboard. So, we will see you all later. Hopefully, till next time, the coffee shop's closed, and you know the motto, death before decaf. Later, guys.